Look. This is what you subscribed for. Okay, so the lighting's kind of off because it's cloudy outside because it's about to rain. But hello, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new, and hi. In today's new video, I'm going to be unboxing these teeny tiny My Little Ponies that I've gotten before, and now I have all 3 sets. I usually don't like unboxing things, but I'm like, these are just so tiny and I want to hold them, and my autistic self just loves teeny tiny things, and especially My Little Pony. They're so cute. None of this is sponsored. I'm just unboxing and being a goof and showing you guys cute things. I hope you enjoy. Yes, I got a cold. I sound like a potato. Please remember to hit that subscribe button. Go check out any of my other videos down below after watching this one, of course. My Instagram, Twitter, PO box, eBay, all that stuff's down below also. And yeah, go ahead and get started on this video. I hope you enjoy. Look how cute these are. Look at them. Look at them. Look at them. They're so tiny. They're so cute. And now I have all 3 sets, and we are unboxing the other 2 sets I have bought today of World's Smallest My Little Pony. I wish they made these in G3 style, Generation 3, but they're really cute as Generation 1. You can actually brush their hair. They come with a comb and all those good things. So let's go ahead and get started. But first, since you're here, look at this thing I just got at an estate sale. It's from the 80s, and it's my colors, and it's seashells. And there's the heart lamp. Yes, I wanted to show you guys this. It is beautiful art. Okay, priorities. Now on to the unboxing of the My Little Ponies. And now we've got the, I think that's like the first ever Minty and first ever Rainbow Dash. Her name is like, I forgot. So yeah, let's, what was that? Let's open them up. These are so small, I can set them on top of the camera. Look at how teeny tiny it is on this camera. Let's open these up. We shall start with these 2 first. Yeah. And recycle this plastic. Trying to get this open. This is why I don't do unboxing videos, guys. It's just me struggling most of the video. Please be careful with scissors and plastic. Always. Especially if you're a small bean. How's someone supposed to open this? Maybe it wasn't ever supposed to be open. It was supposed to be just a collector's item as is. But it's so cute. I just wanted to have them all out because they're so tiny. And I'm gonna lose them forever. Okay, there we go. We got 1 pony. Oh my god, I can't. This should have been G5. This should have been all this size. It's so cute. This little yellow one. So these 2 came together. They don't really smell like My Little Ponies, but look how cute. And then it comes with a comb. Get that out somehow. You have to cut. Now we've got 3 pieces of plastic that I'm going to recycle. My other ones came with a comb too. I just don't know where it is. Look. This is what you subscribed for. Yeah, there we've got 4 little ponies. Just, oh my gosh, this is making me happy. I love them. I love them so much. And now let's open these ones. Oh, there, that's easy. Here we go. Oh my god. But yeah, there's that one. There she is. Our little Irish one, like me. So stinking cute. And yeah. There's a pamphlet inside the thing. Look, there's a pamphlet for all the world's smallest tiny things. Oh my gosh. Wow. They have a teeny tiny Hello Kitty coin purse. I can't. The My Little Pony minis are fantastic. They are so happy. I wish all ponies were this size. And I wish we just had My Little Pony Polly Pocket size forever. Thanks for watching. On to the outro. Am I doing the outro and the intro in the same time? Yes, but it's a good video and I made it. And I hope you liked it. Thank you for making it all the way to the end. Go ahead and check out any of my other videos if you want to. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once again, my Instagram, PO box, Twitter, eBay, all that stuff is down below in the description box. And yeah, I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. I just keep trying to make you content for you guys. Okay, I love you guys.